Hari ini ada bahasa Inggris nggak? Oh, ada. Unmute. Rename. Kenapa sih harus mama? Enggak nih, mamanya Kristiana terus. Udah nih, cuman 8 orang yang ikut, 7 bahkan.
Teacher is here, bro. Teacher is here. Say in English.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening,
Good
teacher.
morning, teacher.
Hello.
Good evening, teacher Germany.
Hello. Hello, Queenie.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello, Joy.
Morning, teacher. Evening, teacher.
Good evening.
What was your class before this one, Joy?
Mandarin.
Mandarin.
Do you have NTT kids with you?
Yes.
Okay. Since the kids are not yet here, shall we wait for them? Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So we have already lovely Nesta. Okay, let's continue waiting for them. Maybe for 2 more minutes. Hi,
Oh.
Mark.
Hi, Miss Jermaine.
You were not around yesterday. Why?
I think I forgot why.
Come again?
Maybe I forgot. Oh, I think yesterday I didn't join because I don't know for what class. After chemistry, I think it didn't and give me insight of the next class.
Okay. Yes, Shitya, it's okay, Shitya. Alfonso, yes, you were also uh absent yesterday. What happened?
Oh, yesterday?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Because yesterday I'm going to church.
Okay, you went to church yesterday. Yes, Alfonso. Okay,
Okay.
so entity kids are already here. We already have Naya, Caddy, Alyssa, Eva, and Esther. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Hello, good evening. Are there still other girls and boys joining today? Esther. Okay, 1 more minute for everybody to settle down. Okay, let's wait 1 more minute for them. You know what? This class is a special class for the NTT kids. Shitya,
No
it's okay.
worries.
Yeah,
We can just
yeah. Shitya, it's okay. Teacher understands that one. Okay, although it's a special class for the NTT kids, girls and boys, okay, everybody is still welcome during this class. We are not going to use the blue book, okay? We are not going to use the blue book, but we will be
we use
discussing
the
another lesson
K3.
today.
We use the K3 learning K5 maybe.
Yes. K3, K5, not the K3. Oh.
Because I think K3 looks better.
Okay, the materials that I used, that I often, not often, that I always use when I am conducting classes with you. Okay? Where are the boys, Eva and Asta? Okay, we have Yen and Priska. Wow.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, how are you, girls? Okay, good. Sandra and Sana are already here with us. So time check, it is already 6:06 in the evening. So today is a Thursday. So welcome to our lesson. Welcome to our class. So I have on my screen, I have 18 participants, but I know I have more than 18 today. Okay. So again, welcome to today's class. So I have noticed that during our Monday and Wednesday classes, our entity our entity kids are, they can cope up with the other kids. So instead of talking about the alphabets and instead of talking about sounds, so um let's talk about nouns today. So for some, for Joy, for Alfonso, for Mark, maybe for others, for Daraka and Ayaka, nouns is an easy topic. Okay? So again, this class is intended for our entity kids, okay? So I hope you will also be what do you call that one? Be patient. Okay. We also have Jonathan with us and Leticia. Okay, good. So allow me to share my screen. And if you notice, I have used this presentation many times already because I want you to, okay, I want everyone, okay, for those who are with me, to recall this topic about nouns. Okay, entity kids and everyone. So on my screen, you have here pictures, right? You have pictures. So you have a picture of a boy and a girl, a doctor, and grandfather. So these three are examples or names of persons. Okay? These three are examples or names of persons. Lovely. Could you please repeat? Say persons. Yes. Persons or people. Okay, thank you. Next, we have,
Welcome.
okay, can I have
Welcome,
Eva
teacher.
and, yes, can I have Eva and Asta? Eva and Asta. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, Eva and Esther, what is this picture? What's this one? It's a, yes. How do you call this? Yes, it's a playground or it's a park, right? How about the next picture? What is this? What's the next picture? Yes. Okay. The next picture is school. It shows school. How about the last one? What is this? Yes, it is a mall. So these three are examples of places. Okay. Could you please repeat? Say places. Okay, very good. So we have here playground, the school, the mall are examples of names of places. Okay, let's move to the next one.
Place.
Queenie. Yes, Queenie.
I like animals.
Yes, Queenie, we have
A parrot, a giraffe, a lion, animals. A monkey, a elephant, a zebra, a crocodile.
yes, very yes, that's good. Very good, Queenie. And these are examples of what, Queenie?
Animals.
Yes, these are all examples of animals. Thank you, Queenie.
You're welcome.
Okay, next slide are examples of things. Okay, we have here different things such as the clock, a pair of shoes. You have here the plate, the fork and the spoon, as well as the knife. Okay, you also have a basket full of fruits, different kinds of fruits. It can be here, it's a lemon, an apple, a banana. So here, these are all examples of things. Yes, we have things. Okay, lastly, okay, thank you. Okay, lastly, we have this picture. What do we celebrate in the first picture? If we see this one, what do we celebrate? We are celebrating a, yes, Clara. If we have this picture, yes, yes. Okay, Clara. Clara.
Oh my God. Yes, teacher.
If we have this picture, Clara, what are we celebrating? We are celebrating this one.
Birthday.
Yes, how about the next picture? We are
Um,
celebrating
New Year
New Year. Good. So these two are examples of, please read, Clara.
celebrations.
Very good. Thank you, Clara.
You're welcome.
So I want you to look at this. If we talk about persons, if we talk about animals, the names of places, names of things, and celebrations, those are examples, we are talking about nouns. Kids, if we talk Okay, if we talk about nouns, these are all names. Mark, how do you say names in your language? Mark? Mark?
Names.
Yes, how do you say
Yes.
names? How do you say names in, what do you call that one? In Indonesian.
Me too. Oh, now.
Nama. Nama. Mark, hello. Hello. Can you still hear me? Can you still hear teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, okay. I am using Google Translation. Entity kids, everyone. If we talk about nouns, we are talking about names. And what are names? Names are, okay, names are nama. Am I saying it correctly? Nama in your language, okay? Is teacher right, Letasha? Am I right, Joy?
Yes, you're right.
How about if teacher asks about names of persons? How do I say that in your language, Joy?
Name of a person, right? Name of a person.
Yes.
For some reason, Zoom got disconnected for mine.
Nama orang. Nama orang.
Okay. Nama, yeah, it says here nama orang. Here orang.
Yes, orang. Yes, say it orang. Nama orang.
Orang. Nama orang.
Okay.
How about animals?
Nama hewan. Nama hewan.
Come again.
Nama hewan. Hewan. Nama hewan.
Okay. How about places, Joy? Please help teacher. How about places?
Nama tempat. Tempat.
Okay. How about things?
Nama benda. Nama benda.
Good. How about celebrations?
Wait.
Perayaan.
Oh ya, nama berarti perayaan. Perayaan.
Yes, that's very good. Okay. How do you say that one? Celebrations, Joy, you have?
Perayaan. Perayaan.
Okay. Perayaan.
Ya, perayaan.
Oh my, oh, how do I say that one?
Sorry.
I don't know if Philippines can talk Indonesian well.
I think
Yeah.
Sorry, I
Indonesian,
don't really know.
like Indonesian have the R thingy.
Oh yes, the R. R.
So you have the R thing.
Yeah.
That's why, if there are other parents talking or messaging me in your language, what I need to do is I need to do translation. I use translation so that I can understand it.
Say ChatGPT, what is this? It translate is Indonesian.
But
Something like
sometimes Google Translate just do very, very, very formal Indonesia word.
Oh, as long as somehow I can understand what you are trying to say to me. Okay? Thank you, Joy. Thank you for helping me.
No problem, Miss.
Okay, so I hope, um, this makes clear, especially to our entity kids. Again, if we talk about nouns, we are referring to names. Okay, names, nama in your language. Okay, let's have first a reading activity, and we have here examples. Okay, we have here examples. Can I ask? Okay, another set of kids from NTT. Naya, Kedi, Alessa, Jana, hello.
Hello, Miss. Hello, Miss.
Yes. Can I ask you to read in the words or the names inside the pink box? Okay, just read. Naya, Kadi, and Alyssa, go on. Father, girl,
Father, mother, person, teacher, teacher, doctor, driver.
okay, and we have driver. Now, Naya, Kadi, and Alyssa. So those nouns or those names are examples of what? Those are examples of names of persons, animals, places, or things. They are examples of,
Persons naman. Person.
yes, very good. Yeah, that's good. They are examples of persons, names of persons. Very good, girls. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, let's move now to another set of words. I'll have, okay, how about Olivier? Hello. I want to talk to Alfonso's brother, Olivier.
Okay.
Olivier, hello.
Hello.
Um, can you try to read everything in the blue box?
Food, market, park, Indonesia, mall, kitchen, bedroom.
Very good. So you have all those names. Okay, Olivier, what are those names? Are they animals, places, things, or celebrations?
Play,
Come again. They are
play,
with letter S. How do you read that with letter S?
places,
Places. Very good. Come again.
places.
Okay, Olivier, how do we spell places? What's the spelling of places, Olivier?
G, P, L, A, P, E, S,
Places.
places.
Wow, that's very good. Thank you, Olivier. Doing good. Okay, let's move now to the words inside the green box. Okay, let's this time. How about Trisha, Stephanie, Boston? Trisha, Stephanie. How about the one using Milianos Jacob? The boys now. Wow. Boys, Milianos Jacob. Hello, boys. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, finally. Okay, boys, how about if you read now the words inside the... Okay, boys, let's read now. Start. Okay, start with this pencil. Yes. Okay. Boys, let's try to read. Yes, continue. Dress. Okay. Maybe their connection. Okay, it's bag. Continue. How about the next one? Flower. Next. Plate. Okay, next we have. Okay, we have coffee. Okay. Now, okay. Boys, thank you for reading. So we have pencil, chair, dress, bag, flower, plate, and coffee. Now, those nouns or those names are examples of are those animals or things? Boys, Milianos, Jacob, those are examples of animals or things? Or anyone from the NTT kids? Yes. Okay, these are examples of things. Okay, or those are examples of things. Very good. Okay, let's move now to the next one. Maria. Maria.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, Maria, I want you to read now the names inside the yellow box.
Dog, cat, town, bird, bird, lion, tiger.
Tiger. Okay, Maria, those nouns are examples of
Animals.
yes.
Animal teacher.
Okay. Maria, those are examples of
Animals.
yes, those are examples of animals. Can you give another name of an animal, Maria?
Shark.
Shark? Okay, yes. That is an example of an animal. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Very good. I will be calling Letitia. 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 Oh, Letitia.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you're here now. Okay, can I ask you, Letitia, to give an example of a name of a person or names of persons? If I say teacher, right? Teacher is a name of a person. Or if I say, um, if I say Rayhan, Letitia, mother, father, Dr. Hari, those are examples of names of person. Okay, I'll stop sharing first because I need to look at your faces. Letitia, hello.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'll be back with you. Give me an example of a name of a person.
Yes, here.
Okay, kids, please. Yes, Letitia. Okay, if not Letitia, can I go back to the girls, Eva and Esta? but there are 5 of them. Hello? Hello?
The teacher.
Yes, hello. Girls, girls, can you give me an example of a name of a person? Girls? Yes, teacher is an example. How about a name of an animal? Give me a name of an animal. Their connection is not that good. I can see it.
Yes. I'm kind of sad.
Yes. How about Alyssa, Jana, Naya, Kedi? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, wow. How about you? How about you two girls? Give me an example of a name of a person.
Father, mother, uncle, doctor,
Yes.
cousin, driver.
Yes. Very good. How
Very
about
good.
an
Very good.
okay, girls, still you girls. How about Naya, Kedi, Alyssa? Who's Naya, Kedi in here? Who's Naya, Kedi?
Yes,
It's
teacher.
you? Okay, the other one is Alyssa, right? Okay, how about you give me a name of a place? Okay, give me a name of a place, girls, or names of places.
School,
Mm-hmm.
market, Indonesia, mall, mm, library.
Yes, very good. So those are examples of names of places. Okay, that's good. Okay, how about Olivier again? Olivier.
Yeah.
How about you give teacher examples of animals?
Giraffe.
Olivier. Rat. Yes. What else? Give more examples.
He said giraffe.
He said giraffe. Oh, sorry for that. I thought
Not
it's
rat.
rat. What's the next one, Alfonso?
Next one.
Yeah, what's the next one? What's the next name he said?
Uh, I guess he's still thinking.
Okay, very good. What else, Olivier? What else?
Teacher. Elephant.
Yes,
Teacher.
he said elephant. Okay, very good. Thank you, Olivier.
Teacher. Teacher. Teacher.
Yes, Queenie.
Boleh gak adik aku ikutan?
Come again.
Adik aku boleh gak ikutan?
I'm sorry, Queenie, but teacher cannot understand you.
Yeah, cause she said in Indonesian.
Can her little brother join?
Oh,
Her,
okay, yes.
her
Your
sister.
little brother can join. Queenie, can I talk to you, Queenie?
Yes.
Yes. How about you give teacher examples of things? How about names of things, Queenie? Yes, Queenie.
Wait. A fan.
Yes.
Uh, uh,
Okay. Mark, how about you, Mark? Please give examples of names of things, Mark.
Names of things. Okay.
Yes.
Name of thing is a thing that we are using to meet. That is
Mhm.
phone or laptop or maybe
Yes.
computer.
A computer or a laptop. Yes. We also have cell phone. We also have
Tablet.
blanket, clothes, t-shirt, shorts,
Tablet.
sandals, shoes.
You got a
Yes,
bunch,
tablet.
microphone, mouse,
Yes.
mousepad, clock, door. Oh, there's
Yes.
so many things I can't say it too much.
Yes. Okay, so many things around us. Okay, thank you, Mark. Lovely, Cindy and Nasta. Yes, lovely. Lovely. Yes. How about you girls? Give examples of names of things. Yes. We have,
teacher. Yeah.
yes.
And my,
Yes.
then I have baby sister in here. Baby sister here.
Once again, teacher. Please, once again, teacher.
Yes. Yes, lovely. Okay. Okay. Thank you, girls. So we are hoping that our NTT kids will have a good connection, right? So that it will be easier for them to learn English lessons. Yes. Okay. So I am going to share my screen again, and we will be having or answering an activity now. So we are going to,
And K5 learn.
oh yes, we are going to use
If you're the
activities
twin.
from, yes, come again. So what do you call that one, Mark? What are you saying, Mark? Okay, we are going to use materials from the K5 learning website. Okay, so let's have here nouns and sentences. Entity kids. Okay, so we have here nouns and sentences. So we are going to identify the different nouns in each sentence. So you have here nouns are names of person, a place, or a thing. Okay? Let's read the sentences and we are going to identify the different nouns in it. Okay? So that our entity kids can follow, I will first have the raka. The raka.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, the raka. I want you to read number 1, sentence 1.
1. The broom is in the garage.
Yes. Can you please tell us what are or what is the noun in the sentence?
Because nouns are a person, a place, or a thing, then the broom
Yes.
and the garage is a noun.
Okay, very good. So we have here, so we have the broom as well as garage. Broom is a name of a daraka.
Yes, miss.
Broom is an example of a name of a.
Nouns.
Okay, these are nouns. It's a name of a thing. While garage is a name of a.
Place.
It's a place. Good. Thank you, Daraka.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, how about I'll go now to Naya, Keddy, and Alyssa, Jana again. Number 2, girls.
Apples are delicious.
Okay, apples. Again, apples
Apples
are
are
delicious.
delicious.
Yes. What is the noun in the sentence?
Apples.
Yeah, very good. Our noun here is apples. Very good. Good, girls. Another one. Okay. How about Yen and Priska? Yen and Priska.
Hello, Miss.
Hello. I want you to
Hello,
read
Miss.
sentence number. Yes, hello. Read sentence number 3, Yen and Priska.
Miss.
Yes.
Places. Press. Number. Number
Number
three.
3.
Number three.
Yes, number 3. Yes,
Places.
girls. There.
Places. Places, Miss. Places.
Oh, yeah, precious. Yes, continue. Please read.
Teacher.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please read now. Please read. Okay, so we have for number 3. Okay, for number 3, we have. So we have here, there is sand on the beach. There is sand on the beach. For this sentence, we have 2 nouns. Okay, we have 2 nouns. The first one is the word sand, and the other one is the word beach. Okay, we have sand and we also have beach for number 3. Okay, let's move to sentence number 4. Let's go now to Lovely, Cindy, Nesta, and Rati. Okay, girls. Number 4, girls. Lovely. Yes, number 4 now, girls. Lovely. Go now. Yes, my. Please read. Yes. Come again, come again. Hello. Okay, my hamster is Fuzzy. My hamster is Fuzzy. What's the Yes. What is the noun in the sentence, girls? What is the noun? What do you think? Yes. Okay. Our noun for sentence number 4 is hamster. Okay? Our noun here is hamster. And this is an example of a name of an animal. Okay, thank you. Sir? Sir. Unsa ka? Okay. Let's move now to sentence number 5. If the girls they don't have a good connection for that. Jonathan, can I have Maria now?
Yes, teacher. Wait, please. Glow sini. Dipanggil. Here, teacher.
Okay. Maria, number 5, Maria, please read.
Um, Teacher, I can see number 5.
Oh, you don't have number 5?
Yeah, it's still number 4.
Oh, is my screen lagging? How do I say that? How about that? Do you have number 5 now?
No, teacher. Wait. We will come back soon. I need to leave, I think. Be right.
Okay. Instead, while waiting for Maria, can I go now to Clara? Clara.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 5, Clara, please read.
Um, uh,
Number 5, Clara. You don't have my screen, Clara.
there is a number 5 in
Oh,
my.
you don't have number 5. Okay. I stop sharing, then I'll be doing it again. How about that?
Yeah,
Okay, number 5, Clara.
the jet is very fast.
Okay, good. What's the noun in the sentence, Clara?
Um, the
Yes.
fast.
The jet is very fast. What is the noun in the sentence?
Very fast.
Very fast? Do you think it's a noun, Clara?
Um,
Very fast is an adjective. Okay, you have here fast as the adjective in the sentence. Okay. Nayaka, would you like to help Clara? Nayaka, what is the noun in sentence number 5?
Jet.
Okay, good. Our noun is the word jet. Okay. So I still have another set of sentences. Again, let us let us identify the nouns in it. Okay, for sentence number 1, can I go to Shitya now? Shitya. Shitya, number 1, Shitya on my screen.
Number 1,
Okay. Yes, please.
the cat is purring.
Yes. The noun is Shitya.
A cat.
Okay, our noun here is cat. Okay, number 2, thank you. Number 2 now. Can I go now to Maria?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 2, Maria.
Nih, baca.
The boy did cat the ball.
Okay, we read this one as kick. Maria, say kick.
Kit.
Okay. So we have two nouns in that sentence, Maria. Can you identify what are those nouns?
Kit.
Nouns itu kata benda kalau ini. Ini nouns ini.
Okay, we have two nouns in that sentence. And what are those two nouns? First, we have
Boy.
yes, say it. Okay, we have boy. What's the next one?
Ball.
We also have ball. Very good. Thank you. Let's move now to sentence number 4. Okay, sentence number 4. Can I have Leticia now?
Yes, teacher.
Number 3, Leticia.
Sam plays with his friend Ben.
Yes. Very good. We have 3 nouns in that sentence. Take note, we have 3 nouns in that sentence. And what do you think are the 3 nouns? Leticia, first we have Leticia. What are the nouns in the sentence? Sentence number 3, what are the nouns? First we have
Sam.
yes, that's good. It's a name of a person. What else?
Friend.
Yes, very good. One last.
Ben.
And we have Ben. So those are the 3 nouns. Sam, friend, and Ben. Very good. Thank you, Leticia.
You're welcome, teacher.
Sentence number 4. Okay, sentence number 4 now. Okay, I hope the
Hello, teacher.
Hello, yes. Hello. Okay, so we have Eva and Esta. Yes. Please read number 4, Eva and Esta.
Number 4.
Yes, number 4.
Teacher, the bar
Yeah.
stops all.
Yes. Now, so the bus stops at the red light. What is the verb? What's the verb? What is the noun in the sentence? Yes, girls. What are the nouns?
The bus.
Yes. The first one. Yes. The first one is bus. We still have another noun and it is okay. Okay. And the next noun is light. Okay, girls. The first noun here is bus and the second one is light. Okay, thank you.
Right. You're welcome, teacher.
Yes. I hope. Okay. How about, okay, I think Naya, Keddy, and Alyssa has a good connection. Girls again. Naya, Keddy, and Alyssa.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Number 5. Can I have Naya first? Naya for number 5.
We saw tigers at the zoo.
Okay. Saw. This one is saw. We saw.
We
Come again.
saw
Tigers.
tigers At the zoo.
Very good. Hey, girls, what are the nouns in that sentence? Naya and Alyssa, what are the nouns in the sentence? And what's the last one?
Tiger.
Okay, tigers, and we have what?
And zoo.
Okay. Okay, we have here tigers, name of an animal, and zoo, it's a name of a place. Very good. Thank you, girls, Kedi and Alyssa. Yes, now, another group of kids are raising the, yes, Lovely, Cindy, and Nesta. Lovely, Cindy, Nesta.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, how about number six?
Number
Number six.
for the number 6, the nouns
Yes.
is
Girls, yes, lovely. Read number six. It is kids. Girls, please read now. Number six. Okay. How about Trisha and Stephanie? Trisha, Stephanie, number six. Okay. These flowers are beautiful. Lovely. Cindy, what is the noun in the sentence? What's the noun for number six?
flower.
Okay. Our noun is, what's the noun? Please read. Yes, our noun is the word flowers. Okay. We have flowers. Okay, thank you, girls. Let's move to the last number. Shalene, would you like to read, Shalene? Shalene? Okay, you follow teacher Celine. Dad,
Dad,
dad.
Dad,
Okay. Drives us
do I wish out
carefully in the car.
carefully from far?
And yes, so dad drives us carefully in the car. Celine, please give us the nouns in the sentence. What are the nouns in the sentence, Celine? First, we have, okay, how do you read this, Celine? This is,
Was
yes, this is dad.
Dad,
Yes, and the next one is, please read, say car.
do we
Car.
come?
Okay, it's a name of a thing. Okay, thank you, Jeline. So
Welcome.
yes, before we end our discussion today, can I uh, can I talk to Clara? Clara,
Yes, teacher.
I want you to read all the nouns, Clara. Read all the nouns that are underlined.
Okay. Cat. Boy. Ball. Sam. Friend. Ben. Bus. Like. Tigers. Zoo. Flowers. That. Car.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Clara. Okay, so those are the examples of nouns that are being used in the sentences. Okay, so teacher needs to stop sharing now because it's already time. So I hope in that short period of time, okay, you learned, especially entity kids, you learned about nouns. So again, nouns are names of persons, places, animals, and things. Okay, I hope you have learned something from the discussion today. Thank you, kids. I'll be seeing everybody, all of you next week. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
teacher.
Queenie. Thank you,
Thank
Joy.
you.
Thank you. Thank
Goodbye,
you for being
teacher. Thank
patient.
you.
Thank you,
You
Jonathan.
welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Leticia. Thank you, Daraka, Nayaka. Bye, Celine. Thank you, Celine. Eva, Esther, welcome. You. Bye-bye, Nayaka. See you next meeting, okay? Thank you, girls. Enjoy the rest of the week. Thank you, Eva and Esther. Bye-bye. Caddy, Alyssa, thank you. Sandra and Senna, thank you.
Thank you, teacher. See you next time, teacher.
Bye-bye. Thank you, girls.
Bye-bye. Bye.